Good afternoon all. So this is Simple Biology and today we are going to discuss the estimation of protein by Biuret method. So let's start our topic. So this is one of the first calorimetric protein assay methods developed. It is most used in applications requiring a fast but not highly accurate determination, and this method is commonly used to estimate the protein in the range between 0.5 to 5 mg. So, what are the requirements required for the practical purpose? So, in the requirements, firstly, we will need sprouted mung grains for the estimation of protein from them. Then chemicals. Here are some chemicals that are sodium hydroxide 0.2 normal, copper sulfate, sodium potassium tartarate, potassium iodide, bovine serum, albumin. Then what are the apparatus we required for this practical? So in the apparatus section we required test tube, beaker, pipette, mortar and pestle, measuring cylinder, volumetric flask and glass rod. Then equipment, we need colorimeter or spectrophotometer. Then we need weighing balance for the weighing of the chemical substance. Then centrifuge machine. So now let's see the procedure. So firstly we have to do protein extraction from the given sample, that is mung grains, or we can take another sprouted grains which contained protein in abundant manner. Then with 500 mg of sample and crush well with mortar and pestle. So we require here mortar and pestle. Just weigh 500 mg of sample and crush well with mortar and pestle in 5 to 10 ml distilled water. Then in second step, centrifuge the extract and use the supernatant for protein extraction. So after centrifugation you will be able to see there will be two layers separated. The first one will be supernatant and another will be pellet. So in the then let's move to the procedure for the standard curve BSA. Here take 6 test tube and label it as a 0.0 which will serve as a blank, then 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1 ml which will be concentration of BSA. BSA means bovine serum albumin. Then make the so in all test tube means if it is blank, that is 0.0, then you have not to take the BSA in any amount. Then in case of 0.2 take the BSA in concentration of 0.2 ml. Then for 0.4 take the BSA as 0.4 ml, such like up to the 1 ml. Then make the volume up to 4 ml with distilled water. So in case of this blank test tube, so what happened here, in case of blank test tube we have not taken any concentration of BSA, so we have to only add 4 ml distilled water. Then it will be make its volume up to 4 ml. Then in case of 0.2 ml BSA concentration of test tube, so we have to only add 3.8 ml distilled water, so it will form 4 ml solution. Then in case of 0.4 we have to add 3.6 ml distilled water. In case of 0.6 we have to add 3.4 ml distilled water. In case of 0.8 we have to add 3.2 ml distilled water, and in case of 1 ml BSA test tube we have to add 3 ml of distilled water. So let's move to the another step. So in the next step we have to add 6 ml Biuret reagent to each test tube. So just add 6 ml of Biuret reagent to each test tube. Then mix it well and keep the test tube at 37 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes you will observe that purple color will appear. Then cool the test tube, and after cooling take the absorbance at 520 nanometer. So with the help of spectrophotometer or colorimeter you can take the absorbance of this test tubes of the solution of from this test tube. Then again repeat the same procedure for the standard protein solution. Up to here we have done the procedure for BSA solution, that is bovine serum albumin. Then now we have to done the same procedure for the standard protein solution, which is mung. We have taken the mung grains. Then after following this procedure, then we have to draw graph of both and find out the protein content in a sample in mg, that is in milligram or in grams. From observing all that values and the graph drawn, we will be able to calculate the protein content in a given sample. This is all about the method of protein estimation by Biot method. So hope you have understood all the practical well. So in this is based on the fact that CONH group, which contain peptide bond of proteins, it forms a complex with peptide bond, and purple color appeared as a result. Hope you have understood all the procedure, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.